Bon, nous voilà pour la suite de Metro Awakening. Donc, pour ceux qui avaient suivi, dans la première partie, ma femme s'en va. Donc, on fait le prologue. On était parti chercher des médicaments pour elle. Des trucs genre style. Merde. Style truc pour éviter qu'elle ait des hallucinations, tout ça. Parce qu'elle les avait jetés. Et au final, quand on revient à la base, elle s'enfuit pour aller chercher notre fils. Enfin, notre fils qui était censé être mort. Qui est mort d'ailleurs. D'après le jeu, hein. Notre personnage et sa femme savent très bien qu'il est mort, mais elle entendait sa voix. Attends. Hop. Voilà. Ça va déjà être pas mal. On se souvient. Ah, j'ai plus de balles. Par contre ça, j'ai des balles. Ça, tac. On essaie de me souvenir un peu, hein, parce que je vous avoue là, c'est un peu compliqué.
There's a central memorial most people go to pay their respects. Probably as good a place to start as any.
Yes, I know of it. Yana spent a great deal of time there before her and I found each other again.
She must have been unrecognizable after everything she's been through with Petya.
Est-ce que je peux pas faire un truc pour les sous-titres pour qu'ils évitent de trop bouger quand je bouge la tête? Parce que lorsque je bouge la tête, c'est un peu compliqué, ça bouge. Non. Changer commande, non. Immersion, méthode, saut instantané, chute instantanée.
Neither of us.
Ah, d'accord, ok. Merde. Gameplay. Tac. Merde, c'est dans ça que j'étais? Paramètres. Locomotion. Personnalisé, ok. Tout me paraît bon. Croupissement, non. Non. Fermer les yeux, non. Ah, on continue. C'est genre... oh, mais ça va rendre malade. Ah ouais, ouais, ouais. Bon, je sais pas, on va voir. Hop. Ah, ça fait vraiment bizarre, là.
Everybody at your station is some heavy shit. Especially with, you know, everything you had to do.
It would have been shockingly easy.
Ah non, ça donne la gerbe. Ça donne la gerbe. Tac. Genre ruée, c'est quoi genre ruée? C'est la même chose, sauf que... Ok.
But seeing Yana's grief, a mother losing a son,
Ok,
I'd
c'est bon.
brought order to that brand of chaos for so many patients I'd forgotten their names. No. Any chance to give Yana back her life was all the reason I needed to start living mine again.
Have you thought about what you'll do if she doesn't want to listen to you?
I swore to Yana she'd be happy again. And a commitment is a commitment, wherever that leads.
La lumière, elle est vraiment pas top, hein. Bon, après, c'est fait pour, mais... Tiens, prends ça, mon ami. Tu t'en tireras mieux, je suis sûr. Hein? Allez. Oh là, ça fait bizarre. Vu que c'est penché.
I missed that. Come again.
Wasn't me. Unless I'm the voice of your conscience now. In which case, I can run down the entire list of complaints if you're interested.
Perhaps later.
Non, ouais, je crois que ça sert à rien d'enlever ça. C'est juste pour moi. Je peux être bourré, genre? Ah ouais. Ah, ils m'ont attaqué direct les fumiers. Bon, après quand on passe de Madison à ce genre de jeu, ça n'a rien à voir, hein. On va pas se mentir. Là j'ai pas du tout peur, je sais que c'est un jeu plutôt dans le style Resident Evil. Là les gars, ça va être juste du shoot. Venez bande de rats de merde. Faire attention à ça. Pardon, attention les oreilles, je vais éternuer. Ah merde.
Yana wasn't armed, was she?
No, why? Trouble?
Definitely.
Non. Ah, je peux pas prendre cette balle là. Désolé mec, j'ai pas de guitare pour toi. Hop. Hop. Ah désolé les gars, je suis un peu malade. Alors, bah tu vois, je disais quoi? Au final j'ai bien flippé ma race là. Dans ta tête, salopard. Ouais. Même entrée. Ah pète non? Ah oui. Ah ça l'a mis dans mon sac? Ah ouais. Oh oh. J'ai joué à Hitman les gars, attention. Oh merde. Ouais, j'apprécie plutôt bien et il est quand même pas mal le jeu. Hop. Ah, c'est vraiment quand le chargeur il est vide. Hein. Hop. Bon. On va tout vérifier avant. On va pas se barrer comme ça. Ouais, bon, pas l'air d'avoir grand chose ici. Hein. Et en mouline, en mouline, en mouline. Hop. Oh bah dis donc. Il y en a des conduits ici. Ça ramène où là? C'est le grand conduit qu'on avait vu. Oh, c'est quand même un peu lent. Ouais bon oui.
Yana, is that you? I heard a voice.
Je vais prendre ça plutôt. Non. Mange 3 grenades. Hein.
Max, could you repeat that?
Repeat what? I think somebody needs their ears clean.
I keep hearing other voices on the radio. Could anyone else be broadcasting on this channel?
I may be a man of means, but I don't actually own the airways, you know? Though in fairness, radios are pretty rare these days, so the odds that someone has a radio powerful enough to reach you in the tunnels, much less on this frequency, I'd call it slim to none. Unless they're close to you, which means you better watch out.
C'est pas quelqu'un que je joue là? Ah! Ah, ah tiens frérot, hein. Bois un peu. Oh, lui s'est fait manger le crâne, hein. Non, je peux pas ouvrir. C'est pas possible. Attendez, excusez-moi. Je vais regarder si je peux pas mettre les gâchettes adaptatives. Parce que elles sont pas très fortes là. Gameplay, tac 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 tac. Hop, peut-être dans les commandes là directement. Non. Paramètres de la manette. Ah, élevé. Est-ce que ça le fait pour les deux manettes? J'ai fait L et R. Merde, excusez-moi, ça prend 30 secondes. Ouais, ça marche pour les deux, ok, ça marche. Ah, ça marche pas sur le jeu. C'est bizarre. C'est un braquage.
You wouldn't happen to have any advice for opening the imposing metal hatch I'm staring at, would you?
Yeah, don't close it in the first place. Meet Eugenia, the notoriously unfriendly pressure seal to pumping substation 15. Controls are in the foreman's office, the booth, right there. Look for a way inside.
I found your secret stalker hiding spot.
La cache secrète.
What would you do for anyone down at the dumps? A little nip of juice, perhaps. Pick up the old girl's spirits.
Que c'est bien beau. Là ça s'ouvre pas, ok. Ah, là c'est ouvert. Ah, je peux pas ouvrir. Je comprends pas. I don't understand. Est-ce que je peux ouvrir ça? Non. Ah, ça change rien. Oh bah je vais pas me retrouver bloqué sur la première chose quand même. Non. Ah ah, d'accord. Alors. Hop. Et hop. Impeccable.
Ah, that sound brings back memories. We sit there laughing at this young stalker stuff.
Max, you cut out. Hello?
Eugénia s'est confiée à vous. C'est qui Eugénia?
Max, are you there?
I just encountered some scavengers who looked as well.
What in the... Was that my voice?
Hey, what's taking so long? Hey, are you deaf? What's the plan with this thing anyway?
Huh? Oh, there's about to be something useful on this thing. Relax, this will take a while.
Okay, keep searching. We could use the pass.
That's what I'm doing, isn't it? You just keep an eye out, alright? What the hell was that noise? How the fuck did this get here?
Guess it was nothing.
What the?
Oula. Je suis plus en sécurité là-dedans. Ouais, c'est pas très gentil de dire ça.
It's over, bitch! Surrender!
Je suis une machine de guerre maintenant. Bon, avec 3 balles dans chaque chargeur, mais je suis une machine de guerre quand même. Pas de quartier.
Fuck. I finish the job! Bastard!
Nasuka Briet. Oula.
Where are we anyway? We are. I'm not sure. Hey, look, stop asking difficult questions. Just keep your eyes open, okay? Everyone has a job. Those guys over there are checking out the train. We check this place. Got it?
Ah merde. Est-ce que je suis censé passer par là? Je suis censé passer par où? Oh, je suis trop con. Je suis trop con. Ah, c'est une folie, hein. Oh là là. Je pense que je prends en pleine tête. Tir de couverture! Bliette. Oh merde. Il faut se préparer une petite dose, hein. Ah, c'est juste pour être sûr, les gars. Rien de...
Not of magazines.
Rien contre vous, hein. Wesh, lui il est mort avec plein de médicaments dans les mains. Oh. Faut même plus être russe de nos jours. Ah bah impeccable. J'ai pas utilisé pour rien. Ouais. Est-ce que c'est juste pour naviguer dans la pièce là? Oh, j'ai bien l'impression. Ouais, c'est long. Hein. Juste au cas où. Ouais, bon, c'est juste pour naviguer dans la pièce. Hop. Au cas où qu'on voulait se la jouer. Splinter Cell. Moi, c'est pas trop mon kiff. Encore, j'aurais eu un silencieux. Pourquoi pas? Alors, mettre des coups de poing derrière la tête des gars pour qu'ils meurent. Non, merci. Ok, bah il doit y avoir une suite, hein, mais je sais pas par où c'est. Allez, on va dire par ici. Ouais, faut suivre le fil. On ramène ce vilain fil là. Ah, ça t'as des pistolets, j'ai jamais de balles. En vrai, faut jouer avec l'AK, hein, tout le monde a une AK. Je récupère des balles plus facilement. Hein. Oh, je me suis fait peur, j'ai mon fil là qui m'est rentré dans les doigts.
Hey! Did you hear that? There's something inside the vent. Must be lurking. See if you can spot it. Use your flashlight. The fuck? Nothing here. What? Grenade! Fuck, we are one down! Die! Shit! Where's the bitch? Can't kill us! Watch my back! I'm fighting! Stay alert! Fuck! Any luck?
Allez, sors ta tête, toi.
Area clear! It's over, bitch! Surrender! Anyone see anything? Ah, shit! The darkness is still here!
Oh, genre, ça l'a pas tué. Bon, ça va être toi ma meilleure amie, hein.
I will cover this area! Don't fuck this son of a bitch! Keep your eyes open! Man down! I repeat, man down! Watch my back! I'll find them.
C'est moi qui t'ai trouvé, mon gars.
Shit! Where is the bitch? Don't think you can hide, bitch!
Comment tu crois, toi?
Stay alert! Fuck! What was that? You butt! Where did this come from? Ah, guess it was nothing.
Merci pour ta lampe frontale. T'as pas une arme là, rien? Ah bah elle est là. Eh. sais pas s'il y a vraiment une balle là-dedans, mais bon. On essaye quand même. Hop, on recharge ça. On éteint ça. On va mettre le masque, tiens, on va essayer d'aller par là. Je pense que c'est par là qu'il faut aller. Ah non. Mais le jeu m'incite à venir par ici. J'aurais devait une échelle en fait.
Wait, Eugenia? I haven't gone far enough to have gotten that turned around, have I? All right then, my dear lady. If I somehow offended you on our first meeting, perhaps you'll be so kind as to let me make amends.
Ah, je suis revenu sur mes pas là carrément. Oh putain. C'est pas du tout ce que je voulais faire. Ouais.
I sincerely hope that means we're friends again, Eugenia. Not that I don't enjoy your company. A pleasure to...
Boring as hell. Do we just stop closing Eugenia altogether? It seems your wife didn't get the memo.
Ah, you're back. Disappeared for a while there.
Couldn't have been too long. You just finished saying you got Eugenia open.
If that's your sense of time, remind me to start charging by the hour.
I've heard tales of time anomalies down there in some tunnels.
Tales, Max, tales. We're not in Wonderland here. It's just Moscow, after a nuclear war. Laws of physics don't allow for such consequences, even of an atomic blast. It can't alter the time and space, all right?
All right, Mr. Rational. Unless the time and space have always been carved in this goddamn place.
This goddamn place was constructed by us humans, Max.
Ok, bon, tout ça pour un chargeur. Ah non, bah écoute, je sais pas si c'était prévu que je vienne comme ça ou pas.
I must be getting close. I'm seeing a lot of wreckage.
What? Like a train collision?
Yes, Yana described it to me, but I had no idea of the magnitude.
Bullshit, you're in Tretyakovsky already. That troll has been dead for years. And you sure as shit didn't walk there that fast.
I never came across a trolley.
Man, it is literally impossible that you missed the trolley and are in Tretyakovskaya.
Sorry to disappoint you. And don't start with your stupid tales again.
J'étais pas du tout en train de regarder. Ils savent plus quoi faire. Pourquoi le décompte il marche plus? Ok, bon c'est peut-être un bug.
What a sad place.
Well, that's where we come when we grieve, you know? The station was already at capacity when the bomb started to fall, right?
Commuters were packed wall to
Quelqu'un est
wall.
passé il y a pas
When the
longtemps.
first train pulled in, the rush of people fighting to board was so intense, it couldn't leave the station before the next one arrived.
Oh! Non? Putain, il marche bien, hein. Qu'est-ce que ça pas plu à quelqu'un? Si vous êtes pas content, venez me le dire en face. Poup. Et y a rien ici, y a même pas un petit secret.
I've reached the memorial, but no one is here.
Is it possible Yana left anything there?
I'll look.
Ah, c'est vrai qu'on avait vu quelque chose comme quoi c'était ici qu'il y en a. Quoi?
Another religious bastard too curious for his own luck. Got some gear on him.
Comment ça, mon équipement? Fallait me tuer plutôt. Me laisser sans équipement, t'en me foutre en l'air. Je vais me retrouver accroché à une croix, des coups dans les mains.
Return to Earth, O greatest of the warriors of the past. Like you have shed blood before to establish eternal peace. Now we must shed blood for eternal peace to prevail. Take my knife and show me the way.
Ah, ce serait pas mal d'avoir un couteau.
Return to Earth, O greatest of the warriors of the past.
Ce serait pas mal d'avoir un couteau.
Like you have shed blood before to establish eternal peace. Now we must shed blood for eternal peace to prevail. Take my knife and show me the way. Return to Earth, O greatest of the warriors of the past. Like you have shed blood before to establish eternal peace. Now we must shed blood for eternal peace to prevail. Take my knife and show me the way. For you, mighty Khan!
Pas compris.
Serdar, what's wrong with you?
Ah, mais t'étais là!
What? Where are we?
God, you gave me a heart attack. Are you okay? You just kept staring.
I hit my head. Or someone hit my
Toc
head.
toc.
Like,
Toc toc.
Some scum decided that the memorial would make an excellent mousetrap for a slave ring. Preying on other people's grief. Like they're not afraid that the dead will take revenge on them for hurting their living.
No, not the kids. There's too many toys and atoms here to get hurt by. Off you go.
that sounds like a fascinating conversation for another time. Preferably after we're safely back in...
No, he's right. I mean, he's cuckoo, but he's right. The guards were talking about the children. I heard them. Serdar, I can't leave.
Yana, please. If this is about Petya again, he's gone.
Stop! He is here. I'm sorry if you don't like it, but Petya is here.
Où ça,
And
ici?
his voice
Menteuse!
was memorial, and yes, roughly translated, what this man says is true. Those slavers come back, are freaking out because all the kids around here keep going missing.
Yana! Oh my God! Yana! Can you even hear yourself? You sound as crazy as that old idiot. Look where it got you. Where it got us. And for what? For nothing. For nothing. For your delusions. Why? Was it so difficult to keep taking these fucking pills? None of this would have happened. Fuck! None of this is real! I don't know about the other kids, but your son is dead. He is dead!
Yes!
He's dead.
The kids have gone to see the worm!
Attention à toi. Hein.
The girl and the old guy first.
Tiens, ouais, prenez-le lui là, sinon je lui règle son compte.
Ah, fuck it.
Ah!
Ladies and gentlemen, we hope your stay with us has been a comfortable one.
Et moi non.
Unfortunately, we will be needing the room for other guests.
Et moi! Et moi! Et moi! Ah bah on peut s'accrocher tôt. Ouvrez-moi! Laissez-la tout... Laissez-la elle!
Oh, you cry.
Laissez-la elle!
But soon they will forget.
Laissez-moi sortir!
Won't forget. We'll remember forgetting. But soon, death always wins. You see? He knows.
Lui va voir sa barre.
Yana, I will find you.
No, they took your things that way.
Keep moving.
Cormax, having sent help.
Shut the fuck up already, huh?
I'm sorry.
Drop the hero beat.
Viens, viens! Viens, vas-y, moi je te le règle ton compte mon gars. Une fois. Putain. Oh putain.
They took my backpack. They took my backpack. We
What's
only
this?
hire the best and brightest, I see.
Putain. Oh putain, je suis en colère.
This is bullshit. So a couple of shipments went missing. On what planet does that mean we have to move our entire fucking operation overnight?
Elles sont déjà parties si loin que ça?
What? You call a month worth of product disappearing into thin air? No good reason, huh? Thin air.
Oh l'enculé! Il prend pas les coups! Ah je vous jure j'ai essayé. Ah j'ai essayé pourtant, merde. Ah je voulais pas la jouer Splinter Cell, fait chier. Qu'il me donne au moins un couteau quoi, quelque chose. Rien. Oh de Dieu.
This is bullshit. So a couple of shipments went missing. On what planet does that mean we have to move our entire fucking operation overnight? I say the sooner we get out of here, the better. I'm tired. Every goddamn thing I own keeps soaking wet all the time. God, not again with that whiny shit. Even a leaky station is better than the pit Pavel wants to drag us off to. For no good fucking reason. You call a month's worth of product disappearing into thin air. No good reason.
Is that a radio?
This is going nowhere.
There's the backpack.
I'm looking for my husband. We got separated, and he's not answering when I called for him. And you are my husband, and not answering when I called for him. You better be giving out diapers or something. You don't get to make me calling like this for nothing.
Oh, c'est pas moi. Ce n'est pas moi.
I know I saw something.
They took his foot.
Oh non, mais genre. Ah, did you? Putain, les mecs, il leur faut des balles et des balles et des balles. Moi aussi, forcément. Mais je suis le protagoniste, merde. Putain, il leur faut voilà les balles pour crever, les gars.
Anyone hear me? Or are you just ignoring me?
That door leads to a stairwell by the looks of it.
Ouais, c'est même pas moi qui l'ai fait tomber en fait. Là, je récupère tout.
All right, Doctor. Now grab your bag and call Max. This is Dr. Iskanderov. I need Max. My wife and I have been captured by slave merchants operating out of Tretyakovskaya. We need help immediately. Hello?
I'm sorry. Are you talking to me?
Yes. Where's Max?
I don't know, Max. My name's Oksana, but I think my husband Alex and I may have been attacked by the same people near the memorial. I've been trying to find you.
All the power in the security office just went out.
Someone just said it's across the whole station. The station is under attack.
Listen now,
Oksana,
Oksana. I must find my wife. She's ill. Do you have any idea where they might have taken her?
those men, they were talking before about loading merchandise out by the train depot. I know the tunnel pretty well. I could guide you. From security, the campsman gate is on the other side of the station, but the slaver seems to be pulling back to the platforms, so you may want to look for a more discreet way across.
Ouais, et sinon, y a une porte qui peut s'ouvrir là? Ah bah merde. Oh, nouvelle arme. Helsing. Pas mal. Ah, je peux pas le faire tourner. Oh, ça c'est magnifique. Ah ouais. D'accord, vu que ça va être une session Splinter Cell. Tu vas me dire que c'était même pas obligatoire ça de la trouver? Oh, ça c'est beau. Si j'ai juste suivi mon instinct que j'ai trouvé une bonne arme. Ça c'est nickel.
What's going on out there? This better not be more of Chernob's Baba Yaga bullshit. Seriously, who's sticking around?
You'd think these people were 10 years old on a camping trip.
Ça te fait du bien.
What was that flash?
Alarm! Enemies here!
Oh merde. Oh oh oh. Ah, du vide. Apparemment c'est pas par là. Attends, y a un problème là, c'est par où?
Can't carry any more filters.
Je comprends pas, si je viens de là. Forcément par là.
Oksana, the locked door in the tunnels. Do you know where it leads?
Ventilation and plumbing systems. Alex actually broke in there once when we were kids.
You've been together a long time.
It takes a great deal to separate us. You?
Yana and I have not had your luck.
Suggesting whatever is attacking the station is supernatural.
That is quite literally the last thing we need right now.
I'm sorry.
Yana came to Tretyakovska because she thinks her deceased son is Golub. She's never been there.
Most who come here have some unfinished business with the past. That's all the supernatural really is in a way.
Are coming out of the walls. Just go!
Oh, ça a l'air de puer pour qu'ils soient comme ça, les gars.
It's odd I haven't heard from Max. We've had problems with reception before, but never for this long.
Reception?
With the radios. Well, Oksana, where are you now?
Where am I?
If you didn't leave Tretyakovska for help, are you trapped here inside the camp? And where did you come across a radio? The slavers don't carry them.
I'm not sure, if I'm honest. It's all a bit jumbled.
If you're here at the station, I can't just leave you.
No, you have to find Alex and Yana.
But what about you?
Wherever this is close enough to listen in on those people.
If you insist. I can't carry any more vials. Can't carry any more vials.
Oh, tout ça pour une balle. Je suis dégoûté pour cette balle.
Whoever is in charge is pulling everyone to the other platform to defend the gate. If you need a moment to collect yourself, Doctor, now is the time.
I should stock up on supplies then. And it's Serdar, by the way. I think we're past the formalities.
But Doctor was so easy to remember.
Elle m'embrouille la tête, elle est pas là, elle. Elle va me baiser la gueule. C'est sûr, elle va me la foutre à l'envers, cette Oksana.
Oh no! The slavers are ordering a station-wide lockdown. They are moving to seal the gates once everyone's back inside.
Listen up! Once those gates are sealed, whoever we've got is who we've got. We pull the weapons and then fan out to secure the transporting teams. Are you nuts? You want to wage a counter... The fuck? What was that? Grenade! Stay alert! I need to move! Give up, Budak! Ah! Fuck! Still here! I'll cover this area!
Oh merde.
Cover me, assholes! Moving!
Fallait pas kidnapper ma femme, les gars. Désarmé. Ah, où dois-je aller? Ça m'étonnerait pas que ce soit par là. Je vais peut-être couper quelque chose par contre. Tant pis.
Oksana, I'm outside the compound. How far is the train yard?
They are going into Hell's Mouth. To Hell's
Wait, where's Yana?
To Hell's
What's Hell's Mouth?
To Hell's Mouth.
Where did Yana go?
I told her the worm only liked the kiddies. That woman, she never listens.
Theodore, you can't stay there. Go.
The worm, 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 the worm.
Le verre. C'est quoi ça, le verre? Ça va être un truc à la dune? Bon, la lumière me pète les yeux.
What have you done, Yana?
I know you're upset. But even if she is free, whatever she thinks she's after is still leading her to the train yards. The fastest way is through an old machine shop ahead.
C'est un truc par là. Non. Mais non.
That Hell's Mouth he was babbling about. Do you have any idea what it might be?
People used to gossip about the place in the metro, haunted by the souls of missing children. I can't recall if anyone ever called it Hell's Mouth, though.
Why does everything have to be wrapped up in superstitious nonsense?
Ah, les superstitions. Hein. Ah, dommage. Ah, je suis full, mais dommage. Oh, 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 oh. Alors toi, mon gars.
Did I tell you I'm a tarot reader? That's probably nonsense too, am I right?
Oh, tarot, like the tarot cards. Predicting bullshit to poor idiots.
It's called the unknown for a reason. Some people just really want to know.
Il me reste une.
I know you're an out kid, asshole! Don't think you can hide, bitch! Keep your eyes open.
Oh mais ça m'a fait beaucoup des balles là. Ouais, 150. Alors des balles de pistolet j'en ai très peu. Alors des balles de AK.
I see a transport ahead. There are cages on it. I'll head for the front of the train.
They're coming back.
Yana? Alex? They're not here. Everyone, I'm going to unlock the cages. So, be ready to move.
Go away!
They don't sound like they're very happy to see you.
Trauma can have a wicked effect on the mind. Plus, some people just don't like doctors.
I'm sure that's it.
C'est très bizarre de se retrouver là, ouais. J'avais l'impression d'être à l'envers, ça faisait vraiment bizarre ça. Pas trop aimé la sensation. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a par là-haut? Bah rien.
What in the blazes?
Are you all right, Doctor?
I'm sorry, I don't understand. The slaves, they're vanished.
Try to focus on Yana right now.
Speaking of topics I don't understand, I feel horrible about what I've done to her.
What have you done?
I shouldn't have shouted at her like that.
Do you want to tell me more?
No.
Maybe you're not hopeless.
Bon, y'a rien de plus à faire ici. Bon, je vais avoir un nouvel ennemi bientôt. Petit coup d'épaule.
Oh no. Hell. Oh, damn.
Ah ouais. On en est là quoi. Bon, il va bientôt me sauter à la gueule ce bâtard. Oh, ça joue, hein, ça joue. Pas mal, j'aime bien. Mais bon, je suis armé jusqu'aux dents, ça craint rien du tout. Ah d'accord.
Shit. Yana! Damn it.
On va courir un peu. Hein. Ouais, c'est vrai que je suis asthmatique, c'est vrai.
More cages. And another transport.
Be careful.
Everyone's dead. The prisoners and the guards.
Do you see Jana in any of the cages?
Not yet, thankfully. One of the men who took Yana. He's been poisoned.
Good lord. How?
I don't know. There's something ahead.
Ah, ce serait pas des monstres, ce serait des humains.
It's not a snake. It's a worm. That was unpleasant.
Did something attack you?
A man. He shot me with a blow dart.
Last year, a woman we met in Oktyabrovskaya said her son was kidnapped. She claimed the dead took him. shooting her with a poisonous dart.
Oh, God almighty, how tired I am of this bullshit.
Ah, je vais être empoisonné là.
Why would the dead use the blowpipes? And how? The dead can't breathe, can they?
They might think they do.
They can't think either.
All right, Mr. Rational.
What? Why would you call me that? My friend Max calls me that.
Because you are too rational, that's why. Dead or not. Someone took Yana, right?
Oh, je commence à avoir mal à la tête, j'ai vite l'enlever ça. Putain, du coup je me suis retrouvé empoisonné.
All right, I'm back in the metro.
You're probably near St. Clements. Alex and I pass through there sometimes.
Is there a transfer nearby? Yes. Where are you?
I'm sorry?
The lights went out.
Oh, thank God.
You know what happened?
We've been stuck here forever.
Are you there?
Sedar, who are you talking to?
Can't see a damn thing.
Is there a box or a switch or something to turn on the emergency lights?
There may be a solution. I'll be back in a moment. We don't have time for this.
Oh, je vois rien. Ça va, moi je vois.
Are you still there? How did you happen to be trapped in there? Were you trying to escape the attack?
Yes! We were all on our way home when the car started to tip over and everything went black.
I tried calling my wife, but my phone's dead.
Your phone?
Please stand together.
You should see a power station anytime.
C'est une alu là. Tu m'as empoisonné. Pour ça. J'avais déjà des hallucinations, je crois, mais depuis que tu m'as empoisonné.
How do we restore the tunnel lights?
There's an electrical substation just past the collapse section.
We won't be long, I promise.
No, I'm not worried about Alex. Or at least... Never mind. Do what you need to do.
I assume this is the substation.
Do you see a bunch of metal cabinets with lots of lights and switches?
Yes.
Sounds like a substation to me. Now, close all 4 circuits to power cycle the generators. That should give you emergency lighting into the tunnels, at the very least.
Genre un ordre. Ok. Bon, lui le premier alors. 2. Bon, ok.
You were obviously an electrician in another life.
Thank you so much.
We can finally go home!
Where did you go? Hello? Hello? Oksana, there's no one here. It's just bones over here. Looks like they've been here for ages.
But you are certain you heard their voices? Because I haven't.
You're not saying I was hallucinating, are you?
Did you have any of those pills to ease your wife's condition? Because you might use a couple.
Oh, fuck off!
The slavers. They're preparing to send reinforcements back to the depot. So whoever took Jana must be still around, which I suppose is good news.
I hope she's still alive.
We must hope, Cedar.
Dis-moi que c'est une sauvegarde là. Ah ouais, ah, j'ai trop mal au crâne. Pouf. Oh les gars, hop. Attends. On s'arrête ici. Voilà, un petit avant-goût. On rejouera demain. Je vais juste être sûr que ça recommence là. Ah, j'ai trop mal aux yeux. Ça me tire sur la cornée là. Ah, j'ai mal. Ouais, on est bien là. Impeccable. Bon bah les gars, demain même heure. Vers 17h, 18h, je jouerai à ce jeu, puis voilà. On continue demain. Alors, il y a 12 chapitres et j'en suis au 5e. Bon bah ça va. Il reste encore quelques heures. Bon bah tout le monde, bonne soirée à vous. Et ciao.